Hi guys, it's Jimmy. Got a Porsche 912 update. I'm going through the new pistons. So I've got two of them for one side. And what I've done is I've taken the rings off and checked the ring gap. They're both exactly the same. They're within spec, so they're obviously done from the factory. Then I went and weighed them. I wanted to see what the weight is. So I've come up with exactly 330 grams on this one. And exactly 330 grams on this. And that's on a calibrated scale, an actual proper commercial grade scale. So really happy that they're matched in weight. Decided to go weigh one of the old ones, which is just a standard piston, and that was 410 grams. So we're saving 80 grams per piston, and I could feel quite a difference when I was lifting them up. And also if you put them sideways, you can see a lot more material milled out of this, a lot higher grade quality. Yeah, you can just see that it will be stronger and lighter, which is cool. So that's that. One thing that I noticed that was very interesting is that you've got all the rings above the wrist pin, which will make these really easy for installing. So what I'll do is, once I can just have the cylinder on the bench, compress the rings, go in from the bottom and just leave the wrist pin area exposed. So then you can slide it on through the head bolts, head studs, and then you can just slide your pin in, put the clip, and then just slide the whole cylinder down into the block. Whereas with this version, you've got three rings above the wrist pin and the oil ring below it. So you've got to compress these, slide them in, get it onto the motor, put your pin through, and then you have to slide down the sleeve and compress this oil ring and get that in while it's close to the block, and then slide the whole thing down into the block. So more complicated, more fidgety doing it this way. This way is going to be awesome. This design is way better. So happy about that. It's going to make it a lot easier. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is, I've got a couple of these mock fitted, a couple of cylinders, and I'll show you that in the next video. Alright guys, we're getting close.